I'm Emily Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and I'm here with Chef Peter Vandermeij, who also owns Taco Bay in Oyster Bay, New York, and he's here to show us how to make horchata. Are you ready, Chef?
I'm ready, Emily. Thank you very much. So horchata is very simple. It's one of those things that if you're obsessed with oat milk or almond milk, this is basically a milk made from nuts. It's very simple. You start with some roasted cashews and cinnamon. You add that to a pot.
So did you roast those together beforehand?
Yes,
okay.
I did that.
So like on a baking sheet or?
A baking sheet in the pan. You can do this all in the pan, you know, as you go.
That's great.
But you want to start with the larger ingredients first, so that when you add the smaller ingredients like sesame seed here, you're not going to burn those. So horchata is so simple. It's, you know, it's basically nuts, milk, water, sugar. Very simple.
That's it.
That's it. So this is one of our rum punches that we make.
Okay.
We add coconut rum to this, and it's a delicious little complement to our homemade tacos. So then you add just a little bit of sugar. It's got a little vanilla bean in here. You add about half of that. We bring that up to a boil. And then just let it steep.
It smells so cinnamony.
It's got cinnamon, sugar,
Yeah.
sesame. It's a bunch of great ingredients. It's really delicious and refreshing on a hot day. And when you add rum, it just makes it all that better.